In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely raise and support this Toyota Camry. I'm going to show you if you're using a lift or jack and jack stands. Let's get started. Let's start from the front and work our way towards the back of the vehicle. This right here being the front, of course. The front subframe is a great area to support it if you're using a jack and jack stands. With a jack, you can use the front of the subframe right here. There's a little nub, and you can lift up the entire front end with your floor jack evenly. If you only need to raise one side, you can also use either side of the subframe. However, I recommend using that spot, and then you can place jack stands either directly on the subframe, or I'll show you a little bit further back. If you're on a lift, do not put lift arms on this. It's basically impossible to get the lift arms here. Also, no matter what you're using, never use a control arm or obviously exhaust, oil pan, engine transmission, any of that to support the weight of the vehicle. It will not do it, and even if it does, it can cause damage, and if you use a control arm, the jacks or the jack stands can slip from underneath and the vehicle will fall. Towards the corners, if you have to, you can use either a lift arm right here with a little pad on it, or a jack stand. These integrated frame rails are very strong and they can support the weight of the vehicle. Avoid using this bracket if you can, but the best place to do it is right on the pinch rails right here. You can see I have my lift arm positioned here. Now over time, especially if you live in a very rusty environment, these will give out, so you will have to end up going on here. But as long as they are good, this is also where you would want to put your vehicle's emergency jack if you need to swap a tire on the side of the road. To sum up the front end, here's where you can raise and support the vehicle. You can use a jack right over here, lift up the entire front end evenly, place your jack stands either on the subframe or on the frame rails on the back there, or on the pinch rails if you want. And if you're using a lift, you can go right on the frame rails or on the pinch rails. In the back, things here look very similar. You have the same style nub on the subframe here that you can place a floor jack on and evenly raise the entire rear end. Do not use any of these arms or obviously these shields, fuel tank, exhaust, or anything like that to support the weight of the vehicle. And I don't recommend putting any jack stands towards the middle here. If you absolutely have to, I suppose you could sneak them in through the control arms on the side of the subframe, but it's still not great. So once you have this raised in the air, you have two options here. You can place your jack stand either right on this flat area here. It is reinforced and it's meant to hold the weight of the vehicle, or right on the pinch rail, right where I have my lift arm. With the lift arm, you could also go here if you had to, but these are basically the only two safe spots that I recommend going on for a support point on this Camry. And of course, this looks exactly the same on the other side of the vehicle, so you would want to support it there as well. So to sum up the rear end, here is where you can jack it up with a floor jack to raise up the rear end evenly. Place jack stands here and here, right where I have my lift arms, as well as on those flat areas right next to those.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.